If you couldn't tell, I just showered. Yeah. And now it's time to get ready and do my hair. Okay, so this is the secret. You guys know I love my blowouts. The Wow Dream Cocktail. Shoo! You just put it in your hair. It smells like you just left the state and decided to go to somewhere tropical. And I'm gonna let my hair dry about 50%, and then I'm gonna style it, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Look at this hair. Now that I'm finally ready, this soft hair, color wow. Like honestly, I'm super picky with my hair in general because I have so much like hair and the integrity is good. This is a product I will 100% be keeping in my back pocket at all times. 10 out of 10 recommend, so go get it. You'll love it, I promise.